Hello everyone, Windows 11 26H2 introduces a new option that lets you change the size of the Start menu. If you prefer a larger Start menu with more space for your apps and content, here's how to enable it. First, open Settings. Now go to Personalization. Select Start. Here you can see a new option called Start Menu Size. By default, it is set to Automatic. There are three options available: Automatic, Small, and Large. Select Large. Now open the Start menu, and you'll notice that it has a larger layout, giving you more space and a better view of your apps and content. If you prefer the original behavior, you can always come back to this setting and switch it back to Automatic or choose Small. This is one of the new customization options coming with Windows 11 26H2. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows 11 tips and updates.